How to pay with Apple Card on the AliExpress. So let's get started. So you have to open the wallet app into your device and click on this plus icon that is in the top right corner. Now from here you have to select the debit or the credit card. You can also scan your card details by using your camera or enter them manually. Now you have to follow any additional prompts for the verification. After that you have to visit the AliExpress website or the app, and you have to browse the product and add items to your cart. So when you are ready to pay, you have to choose the Apple Pay as your payment method and authenticate using Face ID, Touch ID or your device passcode, and in the last you have to confirm the payment, and your payment will be processed securely through the Apple Pay and your order will be on its way. And that's how you can pay with Apple Pay on AliExpress. So if this video helped you out, make sure to like and subscribe the channel, and see you in the next video.